That's what you get for trying to scare me.
Oh my god! Alright, so I just picked up my nephew from school. Right now I'm filming this in their bathroom, looking at the mirror, and we're just chilling right now, so I'm gonna run back downstairs and chill with them. Let's go. Well, right now, my nephew's playing basketball, and I am going to... On a chair, literally. So I'm going to pick up the vlog when I get back to my house. Alright, so right now, me and my nephew are going to play pool. I'm going to get some cool shots in. And who's going first?
You.
Alright.
Solid. You got 2 solid.
Guys, I have a little bit of battery left on my camera. I'm gonna go in the other room and I'm gonna scare my nephew. Let's see how he reacts. Ah! He's attacking me! Oh god. Oh god. Oh, never again. Oh my god.
That's what you get for trying to scare
Oh
me.
my god. Oh. Oh my god. Open the window. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, this didn't happen. This did not just happen. Is that recording? Where's the... Is there a fan? Is there a fan? I don't want the fire alarm going off.
Yeah, there's a fire alarm right up. No fire alarm. Smoke detector.
Alright, I don't want
This
this.
thing's really annoying.
I don't want that going off. Alright, open the doors.
Open everything?
Yeah. Oh my god. No. No. Okay,
How does this even happen?
do you have a fan you could turn on here? Like a... How do you turn it on?
I don't know.
Alright. There's gotta be a button for it. Oh, jeez.
Alexa, put nest to...
What do you want to slay?
Alexa, put nest to 61 degrees.
Sorry, I couldn't find a device.
It's
or
right
root
here,
name
it's called
listed in
nest.
the list of
It
accounts.
keeps the temperature.
Alexa, put Nest to 61 degrees.
Sorry, I
You
couldn't
can just
find
do it
a
on
device or
Oh,
root name
alright.
listed in the list of accounts.
Alright guys, I burned the pizza by accident. Oh my god. That's not good.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, this is a bad time. Well, I mean,
How do you do that?
I don't know. It looked fine, and then like, I went to go check on it.
Open it.
It's good. I mean, I should clean it up, but other than that,
Clean it.
I will. Alright, wait,
I'm
where's
throwing
the...
this away.
Yeah, throw that out. Look at, wait. That's what happened. That's the finished product. A messed up pizza. Alright, so...
Stuck.
Oh, okay, here, wait. Turn it. Alright.
Ew. It's actually really gross.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to, like, pry it off. Do you have, like, a knife?
Yep, they're right
Where
up
the-
there.
Where?
Dude, this is crazy. I'm surprised this fire alarm didn't go
No, that's a good thing it didn't go off.
live.
It would have been... It would have been too much. Alright.
Sure.
Well, the camera is about to die, but we are cleaning out the microwave.
You are cleaning out.
Well, yeah, that's what I meant.
Where we blow it up inside.
True. Wait, should I use water to do... Or, yeah, maybe a little bit.
Not a lot.
Yeah. Alright.
Cause this thing is electric. This is the way to clean out a microwave, just so you know. I'm guessing. I'm just a kid, I don't know, but I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's how you clean it. That's basically what you do. I can't believe I actually burned a microwavable pizza. That's never happened to me before in my life. Well, now it has, so I can't really say that it hasn't anymore. But
That's just crazy. Well, now you know how to blow up a pizza and clean a microwave.
that's so true. I messed up.
How did you even blow it up? You kept it out too long?
Yeah, I put it in for, it said 3 minutes, I put it in for 5. But,
You would have said that it's gonna blow up like that.
yeah. So,
You
here's
little
the
kids,
thing.
follow the directions.
Here's the thing. I think we need to find some Lysol. Do we have that?
What's Lysol?
Like Febreze,
No, we don't have that.
scented spray.
We have that. I don't know where it is.
I'm trying to think where it would be. I don't.
Probably next to all the other cleaning products in the basement.
True. Well, we are going to find a way to get rid of this smell, and then.
Does this count?
No, that's Windex. No. It could be right here. Thank God.
That could have been real bad.
Yeah. All right, we're getting Windex right now.
No, this is a Windex.
Oh, Lysol, Windex. I said Windex. Oh my God. This is how bad. You see, when the smoke hits the brain, it's bad. Oh my God. I burned the pizza.
You also burned my microwave.
I apologize, guys.
It's not your house.
Exactly. I feel horrible right now. I really do. Oh my God. Well, that should.
Got it in my eyes.
Oh, my bad.
Dude, it also smells over here.
Really? Oh.
Not in the bathroom though.
Yeah, I
Don't
know.
go over here. It's not giant either. You really burnt that.
I did. Is it in there too?
No, it's not.
Alright, so that should conclude that. I'm officially signing off. I'm getting out of here because it's getting real.